I've made a replacement wooden bath panel, so I'm going to show you how to change that, and then at the same time I'll even show you how to change some taps. So first step is take this one off. Now if you're not reusing it, you can sort of just rip it off. You may have screws along the sides or on the bottom. A lot of the time it is bonded on, so you will have to kind of rip it and break it off. Be careful because the plastic will cut you. But there you go, it was literally that easy. I had 2 screws and it was just sort of clicked in. Right, I'm going to put the bath panel on now. What I'll quickly do, just on this bit here, just so I know where this piece is, I'll put some tape. If you have them in odd places, you can do it for the rest. That's it guys, I just need to seal it now. Let me know what you think, and if you want to see more of these sort of home projects, and I'll give you a closer look. Don't forget to like and subscribe.